Right folks, it's the end of the week, which means only one thing. It's time to party. So tonight we're smashing eyeballs first into New Zealand's most iconic drinking, driving, and partying commercials. The ads that made us laugh, that shocked us, traumatised us, or stayed in our collective minds for decades. So crack open a cold one, or a Red Bull if you're sober Steve, and get comfy, because we're about to reminisce like it's 1989. Let's roll.
You've been seeing a city girl?
Yep. She wants me to go up to Auckland with her.
Oh, yeah? What's the attraction up there?
Place in the harbour, 500 SL Mercedes, 80-foot yacht. Her old man's got a box at Eden Park.
Oh, yeah?
She doesn't drink Spates, but
She's a hard road finding the perfect woman, boy.
reckon. Still. No hurry, eh?
Good on you, mate. Spades. Pride of the South for over 100 years.
A pub that's dry? A very depressing sight indeed. Now, how could that be? Nah, she's not gonna budge.
I know one way.
She knew her way, all right, but not an easy one.
No way.
Why the hell not?
Can't be done. Besides,
What?
what the hell do I know about hitching up Clydesdales?
Well, if that's your problem, we don't have one. What, are you going to give us a hand?
The power of all of Dan. Boy, she's an awesome sight.
Cavalry's coming.
Okay, you can hook it on.
So, what now?
Do it for old man Patterson, Clyde. Come on, Betty, come on. Come on, Clyde, come on.
Buy a beer?
Maybe.
Well, it's a start, eh?
I still recall how we came together at the Bad Manor as if it was yesterday.
Room for rent? Beer? Only for 6 ball gold.
For a country boy, Robbo had impeccable taste. And a cat called Raymond. Vertically challenged, but Sharon did have an eye for detail.
Is that export gold you're drinking?
Why, yes.
Abducted by aliens and 2 years at Massey, that explained a lot about me. It's very popular on Mars.
I'm Susan.
Colour?
Gold.
Jewellery?
Gold.
Drink?
Ditto.
And she has a car! Sorry. Well, cheers. Hey, what's your policy on communal living? Share and share alike, I say. Well, we didn't really need the hallway. Hey, Squid, remember your policy? Has anybody seen Raymond? Hey, export yourself!
Damn cat.
No.
Like a sick move. What a kick!
Tui, brewed in Mangatonoka since 1889.
Not your fault, eh?
Yeah. See.
Do you always drive this fast?
Schumacher. 3 years.
Well, also done more damage to my car than yours.
Oh, no.
Jeez.
Mommy.
Call an ambulance!
Do something. Mommy.
Chainsaw. I knew you were going to say about the chainsaw, yeah? In a couple of weeks when I fix it. You want a hand with that trough in the morning, yeah?
That'd be great.
Yeah? What sort of time we're talking?
What do you reckon, Tip? Oh, about 7:30.
7:30. Fine, not a problem. Hey, look after that in the sleepyhead here, eh?
Yeah, one for the road.
Cheers, guys. Yeah? Catch you later, eh?
Bye, Uncle Steve.
See ya.
That's all right.
See you, Steve. See ya.
See you, mate. Hey, we said 7:30, didn't we? You'll be sleeping it off, mate. Is that right? See about that. Oh, you're going to wake him up. He'll kill you. So it was your idea.
G'day. Yeah, it's Steve here. Look, I can't take your call right now, but leave a message and I'll call you back.
You got the address, mate? They gave you the address. Yeah, it's on my hand, man.
Left or right? Left or right? Left. Come off my hand. What have you been doing with your hand? Hey, that's Pete, isn't it? Yeah, excellent. We're safe now, we're safe. On our way to the baby. Man, we gotta get to this. Really go.
What's up, Mom? Call a cab. Mark, the car's on fire! Help, help, help! Help!
No. This Shelley is into you, bro. No. She is. I know. I'm telling you, mate. Whoa! What? What are you looking at? Stop staring at me! Get the hell off me! Get the hell off me! Get off me,
Oh no, George is driving. He's too wasted. I should say something, but I could look dumb in front of Monique. Bro, Monique says you're dumb, but if he crashes, I'll have to live with his family.
Puzzle time.
And if he dies, Ghost George will haunt me forever.
Grab a chip. Want a chip?
You know I can't grab your ghost chips.
Go away.
Spoon.
Spacehead. Bro, Willie, what are you doing, bro?
Oh, I've been internalizing a really complicated situation in my head.
What are you on about?
I don't think you should drive.
Nah.
Nah, you're too drunk, bro. Just crash here.
Yes, crash here. Okay.
Stop a mate from driving drunk. Legend.
They've been on the sauce.
That's Mary's boy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe I should say something.
Oh, no. I'm crap at that kind of thing, Barry.
Yeah, but they're just kids. If we don't say something.
Oh. Hey, boys. Why didn't you get a lift home tonight?
Oh, whatever, mate. I've only had a couple.
No. It's too late now because, you know, I've spoken to you and I know your mum. So that means our fates are aligned, our futures are intricately woven together. I mean, you get into that car and you get yourself killed or you kill someone else, well, I become part of it too.
How?
Well, it's like my balls are in your hands.
Oh, you want the ball? No, I don't want that.
Nobody wants that. Hey, how about I drive you?
What? Oh. Come on.
Did you see there's a sequel called Aotearoa?
I've had enough of you dicks. I'm off.
Oh, don't be an egg, you're a bit pissed.
You might have a crash, mate. Might smack your ugly head open. Might kill someone. Well, what am I supposed to do? Get a taxi?
That'll be $125, mate.
What?
Just walk home, your boss.
G'day, Kev. What up to, mate?
Still walking home from last night.
Hey, you can get your missus to pick you up.
Well, you get one. Ha ha, very funny.
Get Sammy to give you a ride home.
Sammy! No. It's only one thing for a day.
Come on, Sammy.
We'll all crash here tonight.
Yeah.
So that's us. A full throwback through the memorable, the messy, and sometimes the unintentionally hilarious. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button down below, smash the subscribe button like it owes you money, and remember to stay safe, be cool, and don't end up on an episode of Highway Patrol though. See you in the next one.